beauties, and welcome to my channel. Today is a new series of 3 looks, 1 palette. This time it's 3 looks because the palette is a little bit smaller, and the palette that I will be using is the Douce palette by Juvia's Place. This is look number 1, and if you want to see how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. Let's get started with the first look, with the Douce palette by Juvia's Place. I just got it, I already played with it, and I am in love. So, I have already uploaded my review and the swatches. So, if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. And yeah, today is look number 1. I already did my base, my foundation, and I will leave down in the description box what I used. I do want to mention the lipstick that I'm wearing. It's the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I like the color. I don't really like the formula. I wore it for the first time yesterday and my lips were sticky almost the entire day. It does stay on really well. So today I applied less than I did yesterday, and I'm hoping that it will dry down because I have sticky lips. And I don't like it. So, just an FYI. But, again, everything I used on my face I will leave down in the description box below. I am also testing out a new foundation. I don't know if that one is up already or if that one is coming. So keep your eyes out for that one. If it is up, I will link it down below and underneath the card. And if it isn't up, well, then you just have to wait for it. Today it is a very nice day outside. It is very hot. Let me peek. Oh yeah. And we're going to go for a colorful look. Let me see what the colors are in my dress. Blue and pink and white. I think we are going to go for a pinky look using these 3. And yeah, I can't wait. If you have watched my channel, you have seen this one. It's one of my favorite brushes. It's from Primark and it's the 220. And we are going to start with the color Creme, and it is this gorgeous, I'm sorry, that's better, this gorgeous pink, and I'm going to place it high on my upper lid. Be careful, this stuff is really pigmented, so that was a thingy for me the first time I used it. What you need to do, if you are not used to high pigment eyeshadows, just dab your brush in gently and tap off excess, and then just place it where you want it. It's easier to build up the color than to take it away. So just go slow. That's what I do with this one because it's, for me, the most pigmented eyeshadow palette that I have. So yeah, it's going to be fun to see how the look turns out. So, I hope you can see. Let me come a little closer. I have a soft wash of pink here. That is what I want high up. I can always deepen it up the lower I go, but for now I think this is cool, so I'm going to go in with the other. I'm going to do the other eye. So both eyes are done with the soft pink, and what I'm going to do now is deepen it up a little bit. So I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush. This is one by Leico. It is number 26. This is Real Hair. I'm going to use the same color, that's called Creme, the pink one, and I'm going to place it a little bit lower to deepen up the pink a bit. So this is what I want, and I hope it translates on camera. My lighting is a bit weird, I'm sorry, but the pink is brighter here. Just a little peak. And that is what I want. So I'm going to do the other eye now. Both eyes done. And if you have hooded eyes like me, what you want to do is look straight ahead. So put a mirror in front of you on eye level. So when you look straight ahead, that you can still see the color. My mirror is here, so that is why I'm going like this and then to you guys, so you can see the color. Because of my hooded eyes, they are not too bad. I know some of you out there have more hooded eyes than I do, but the principle is the same. If you want the color to show up, you have to place it a little bit higher. And the easiest way to do that, this brush is relatively clean, is just take your brush and place it like that. A little bit, just look forward, eyes open, place your brush and drag it across. Then if you have shadow on it and you go a little bit like this, you can see where you place the shadow. That way you can fade it out a bit, keep looking forward, and just keep placing the shadow where you want it, and just take your time. That is how I learned to do makeup on my eyes. So just a quick tip. What I am going to do now is I have a pencil brush. I'm going to take the color Creme, the pink one, and bring it underneath my eyes a bit, because I like it. You don't have to, but I think it's pretty, so I'm going to do that. Like so. Next brush is this one from Maybelline. It's just a small, yeah, very small blending brush. It's not a pencil brush, it's not a blending brush, but I know it looks dirty, but I cleaned it. I have to wash them, but I just haven't done it yet. I'm going to do it this afternoon probably, or maybe not, I don't know. But anyway, I cleaned it on a cloth and it is clean. We are going to use the color Custard, and we are going to deepen up the outer part of the eye and maybe bring it in the crease a little. I'm not sure yet, but I think that's what we'll do probably. So. Like so. Now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. So I am going to blend it together a little bit. I do want to bring a little bit of the Creme, the first pink shadow back. So I'm using this brush again. I'm just going to place a little bit of it on my upper lid again. So. Now I am going to use the Maybelline 226. It's just a flat brush. And we are going to put puffs, the nice pink one, on the mobile lid in the center actually. And then fading it out. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to use it wet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my brush in the shadow first, then spray it with setting spray and then apply it. So my shadows won't get wet in the pan. It is a nice shimmery shade. I like it. The other side. So. Yes, nice. What am I going to do? Yeah. I am going to deepen up the outer V a little with the color Custard again, the dark purple. I'm taking the Bailey 237 and it's a small flat detail brush, and we are going to do the inner corner with the color Tart, and this has a nice pinky shift to it. I hope you can see, and that is what I'm going to use in the inner corner today. And I am probably going to bring it around the eye, but we'll see. I like that. Other eye. So that is it for... is that it? No, that's not it. I am going to take the same small brush into the color Custard and run it on the bottom lash line. That is it. That is the eye look for now. What I am going to do is apply a little liner, then a little mascara. Then I will show you what the look looks like. So I will be right back. So liner is on, a mascara is on, and the liner isn't too thick because I don't want that. The reason that I wear a liner is because I'm going to put on false lashes in a minute, and I did want to show you guys what the look looked like before I put them on. So yeah, this is the look before the falsies, and because I love falsies, I'm going to apply them and I will be right back. So guys, here is the finished look with lashes. And for lashes, I used the W7 My Wispy lashes. And yeah, this was look number 1 with the Douce palette by Juvia's Place. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And yeah, I hope you're looking forward to look number 2. I know I am. Have a great day. Bye guys.